The header text in Shopify usually refers to the store name or logo in the top left corner or custom text blocks in the header section. For example, tagline, announcement bar, menu items. Here's how to update it using Online Store 2.0 themes like Dawn. 1. Change store name and logo, most common header text, Shopify admin, settings, bottom left, general, under store details, edit store name. This updates the text logo in the header automatically. To replace text with a logo image, upload your logo under store logo, save. Changes appear instantly in the header on all pages. 2. Change announcement, bar, text online store, themes, customize, active theme. In the top drop-down menu, select header or scroll to the header section on the homepage preview. Click the announcement bar block if enabled. Edit the text field. For example, change free shipping on orders over $50 to your message. Customize color, font size, or link if desired. Click Save. 3. Change menu and navigation. Text online store, navigation, click main menu or other menus. Click any menu item, edit name. This is the header, navigation text. Save. Changes reflect immediately. 4. Add or edit custom header text block, for example, tagline. In Theme Customizer, header section, add block, choose rich text or custom liquid. Enter your text, for example, handmade jewelry with love. Style with formatting options. Drag to desired position, save.